Okay, I'm back here with the homeschool mom tutorials for you guys, and I'm doing this in little snippets. So one thing that you need to do is find out what your county or state requires. And it's really not a state. Oftentimes your county and the school has the flexibility or latitude to do what they feel is best when your child is re-entering public school. And this goes for people re-entering if you're coming from private school as well. If you're coming from private school, homeschool, there are things that you may have to do that you may not have known about, or your school that you're transitioning into decides that this is how what they want to practice. So they have these tests called tests of academic proficiency, and I think that's cool, right? But to me, if I was the school system, I would tell the homeschool parents that we want you to take these tests of academic proficiency after you finish your courses, so that the parents can prepare their children for this, and so that they can be taking the test of academic proficiency right after they took the freaking class. Okay? All right. That's the first thing. So if you have a child like mine who has been out of the school system for a while, and then I transitioned her back in, and now she's hit with taking 8 freaking tests from the past few years. Like, if you gave those tests to the kids that took the classes in school, they're probably not going to pass those tests because the information is far removed, and people today just don't remember or retain all of that information that they never use again. And I'm one of those people, okay? Like, when you were in history, you took U.S. history, you took world history, you took all these different kind of history every year, right? How many of y'all remember all that stuff? Unless you're a history buff. I told you I was a math person. I was not a history person, right? So in history, I would get B's. In math, I'd get A's. I remembered the history long enough to take the damn test, and after that, I was done. I didn't care about them damn people. And, like, in my whole life, I have not had to remember those people. If I need to know who they are now, I just look them up, okay? They don't affect my life. They do not. They do not affect my life in any kind of way. Furthermore, neither does most of the math. But whatever. So, it is a way to prepare yourself, and these are some things that I learned the hard way. So I'm going to finish up in the next one on how to prepare your child for these tests of academic proficiency if your state has them.